In this video, you are going to see how to make a family tree in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. To insert a family tree, go to Insert, go to smartart, go to Hierarchy and choose this first option, Organization Chart, and click on OK. If you want to change the color, go to Change Color option and change the color of your choice. You can add any style from here. Let us choose this one. Now click on this box and write the text over here, grandfather. Now let us choose this box. If you want to delete it, click on the delete, then the box will be deleted. Now select this one and write here uncle. If you want to add a box under this, go to over here and click on enter and write here brother, and before this press the tab icon, then it will be under this uncle option. If you want to add another option under this brother, just click on enter and here press a tab icon, then it will be under this. Now if you add niece, from here choose this box, write here uncle 2. If you want to add another shape under this, click on over here, then the shape will be added under this. If you want to add another shape under this, click on add shape, then it will be in under this. And this is the exact way. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.